Okay, welcome back to this amazing Singer 201-2. Again, a great machine from 1952, and I am so excited to show this leather sew-off to you. This is not a light grade leather. We really did try to find the thickest grade that we could. One layer was a pretty easy task, so we decided to raise it to 2 layers. Hopefully the camera can get a shot of the awesome thickness of 2 layers of genuine cowhide leather. And yet, because of that direct drive motor, this 201-2 is going to get the job done and make it look pretty doggone easy. So follow me down to the needle and I'll show you what this 201-2 can do with 2 unbelievably thick layers of cowhide leather. Alright, here we go. That was unbelievably easy. Wait until you see the stitch quality too. There's our top stitch. It's an unbelievably gorgeous top stitch. Everything about it, the stitch spacing, the stitch formation is just beautiful. If we turn it over, we've got an equally gorgeous lock-in stitch as well. And look at the thickness, I'm going to turn it around this way here, of those 2 layers of leather. And I'm going to turn it to the side as well so you can see it this way. 2 very, very thick layers of leather. And this 201-2 made it look like child's play.